Very warm good morning, everyone. Present here. The Metri Alumni Association welcomes you all to this international workshop titled Expand Your Horizon and Outlook, an initiative towards de stressing and personality development. This workshop is streaming live on the college website and the Facebook page of Metri College and is also being recorded. The moderator for today's workshop are Dr. Pooja Gopal and Dr. Ankita Sehrawat. We request you all to keep your cameras off and microphone on mute to reduce the background noise. All the participants are requested to type their questions for the speakers in the chat box while listening to the talk. Kindly write hashtag question before you type your actual question. The speaker will take questions at the end of her respective session. To view the presentation or the speaker, click on the name of the speaker that appears in the list of participants. In the end of the session, everyone keep their cameras on for the group picture. Today, we have among us our resource person for today's session, Brahma Kumari, Sister Urmil, who will be speaking on the topic stress-free living and personality development for the news perspective and solution to existing problems. The purpose of the session is to rejuvenate mind and soul in order to develop personality and attract opportunities, particularly in the context of present scenario. Sister Urmil holds master's degree in physics from Delhi University and has more than 35 years of training and administrative experience as a corporate trainer. She is a great motivator for youngsters. Her creative mind and unique touch to all the work she undertakes make her very popular among people of all ages. She strongly believes that determination makes every impossible thing possible. She has conducted various workshops, meetings for youth and teachers. She is a zonal coordinator for the administrative wing of Brahma Kumaris and widely traveled to various countries. She conducts deep meditation sessions, silence retreats for senior teachers of Brahma Kumaris in Mount Abu as well as in Om Shanti Retreat Center, Gurgaon. She has been instrumental behind project called Sashakt Neev, which is a collaboration of Brahma Kumaris and Gurgaon Police. It aims at gender equality and upliftment of women. She has also been instrumental in setting up Thought Lab in North Cape University, which aims at harnessing the hidden potential of human mind. She has prepared a number of audio meditation commentaries during her spiritual journey and launched a TV program and the book Satvik Rasoi to share the importance of pure vegetarian food. She is also accredited with a making of short a discussion-based documentary film Face to Face with Brahma Kumaris about different services of the Brahma Kumaris. She has been interviewed on radio, TV, and her programs have been covered by various TV channels like Sony and Asta. She believes transformation innately carries chaos in it. And if left unchecked, our mind gets trapped in anxiety, fear, and stress. The mind really needs to be free from stress in order to grasp the change and make it a beneficial change. We welcome you, ma'am. I would now request
Thank you.
Sister Urmil to begin her lecture. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Hello and good morning, dear all. Today we are making this day a great day by discussing on such a subject, which is need of the hour. As the madam told you that the subject of today is stress-free living and personality development. Let us sit in silence for 2 minutes and explore the emotional immunity level has gone down during this COVID period or has it increased? When I talk about emotional health index, that means whether the fear, worry, anxiety, depression has increased, means the negativity has increased, or whether the peace, happiness, enthusiasm, encouragement, such things, positivity, I mean to say, that has increased. So let us sit in silence for 2 minutes and let's check the index level of emotional health. Then you can post your answers to me in chat box. Has it increased or has it decreased? Yes, anyone would like to say something? You can post your answers in chat box. Yes, I am getting the answer that it has decreased. ये सभी समझते हैं that the level has decreased, emotional health index has gone down. Let us take an example. Suppose करो एक family में और there are 4 friends. एक friend का emotional health index बहुत low है. And there are 3 friends जिनका emotional health index is very high. What they are doing it, जिसका low है, they are trying to push her emotional health index up. So what do you think? The emotional health index of the one who is having it low will increase or decrease? Of course, it will increase, isn't it? अब एक और एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. सपोज करो चारों का इमोशनल हेल्थ इंडेक्स डाउन है. And if they are meeting each other and then trying to convince each other that no, we should remain positive, we should remain positive, we should remain in enthusiasm, do you think they will be able to do? No, they will not be able to do. This shows that the stress level of each and every friend will increase more and more because the pressure means the negativity is increasing more and more. तो जितना हमारे ऊपर नेगेटिविटी बढ़ती चली जाती है तो एज ए रिजल्ट क्या हो जाता है, स्ट्रेस लेवल बढ़ जाता है. पारुल. So now I will share with you not the externally what is happening, but I will share with you what more is happening, the inside story. The inside story of this is that what next? The inside story is that I need to understand जब कोई भी event मेरे सामने आता है, any event that upset the smooth flow of things, disturbs the mind, leads to tension resulting in stress. The morning we get up, suppose we got up late in the morning, so I get a little tense. So today I am late in the morning. Suppose even electricity is not there, some helping hand has even not come, wala is not there, and if by chance in the fridge milk is also not there, then what will happen? हमारे अंदर में जो प्रेशर है वो बढ़ने लगता है. और जैसे ही हमारे स्मूथ फ्लो ऑफ थिंग्स में चेंजेस थ्रू आउट द डे आने लगते हैं, as a result our mind gets disturbed, which leads to tension, and ultimately at the end of the day we all say that I am stressed today, isn't it? Next. So when we are stressed, not only at home, but we get stressed at workplace also. There are variety types of stress. Each one have their own type. So the types of stress we get at workplace, changing environmental attitude, nowadays because the conditions, terms, everything is changing. Changing boss also sometimes that becomes a problem. Transferable job, sometimes they remove us from the job all of a sudden. They don't inform us anything. Health uncertainty. We are just thinking that we are well. We will continue up to at the age of till the age of 60 years. We will be very fine. But all of a sudden we find that no, our health is not good. Feeling of belongingness is not there. Nobody to whom you can say that they are your own. Changing natures. Everybody has changed a lot. Everybody has become self-centered. Job insecurity, I already talked. Job satisfaction is not there. You keep on working, even then the office and the boss is not satisfied. So these are your top concern, at a workplace. But now if we see pressures at work, at home, we find many pressures at home also. So relationships है, lack of patience है, if we say something to someone, किसी को थोड़ा सा कुछ बोल देते हैं तो वो एकदम bombardment के साथ सामने आता है. Misunderstandings are there. हमने किसी को कुछ बोला, उसने मेरे शब्दों को पकड़ लिया. They have catched hold of my words and they manipulated in their own way. फिर उसमें क्या हो जाता है, एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट हो जाती है. और फ्रेंड सर्कल में तो मैंने खुद देखा है कि इसमें आपस में इतनी मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स क्रिएट हो जाती है कि आपस में फ्रेंडशिप भी टूट जाती है और फिर हमारी कई सालों तक फ्रेंडशिप भी नहीं बनती है. Parenting is a problem, how to deal with children. Communication gap is also there, what I say to you, what you understand to me. So there is lot of difference. Feeling of belongingness. Uncertainties are there nowadays, like COVID has come all of a sudden. We never knew that this type of situation will come. Death, divorce, separation, and shifting, these things, they are also a big problem. So what I mean to say is pressure at home, pressure at workplace, they are increasing day by day. It means pressures are increasing. In science we were studying stress is directly proportional to pressures and it is inversely proportional to inner strength. हम लोग जब मेटल शीट्स का स्ट्रेस फैक्टर निकालते थे तो हम लोग देखते थे कि जब डिफरेंट शीट्स के ऊपर सेम प्रेशर रखा जाता था तो हर एक शीट का जो प्रेशर है वो कैसा आएगा, स्ट्रेस कैसा आएगा, स्ट्रेस फैक्टर हर एक शीट का डिफरेंट निकलता था. Like if we take the example of a human being, suppose we are 4 friends looking at one situation, हर एक का perspective उस सिचुएशन को देखने का अपना अपना होता है. इसका मतलब हर एक का जो स्ट्रेस लेवल है उस सिचुएशन को लेने का अपना होता है. So the stress is defined as P over I, where P denotes pressure and I denotes inner strength. अगर हम लोग inner strength को बढ़ा दें तो प्रेशर्स चाहे कितने भी हों, स्ट्रेस फैक्टर क्या हो जाएगा, स्ट्रेस फैक्टर रिड्यूस हो जाएगा. So what is we are finding the common factor in all the situations, whether we are at home facing the problem, whether we are at workplace we are facing the problem, change is the common factor. And change coming from outside, it is not in our control. COVID has come from outside. Is it in our control? It is not in our control. But what is in my control? My thought process. If I start thinking about COVID, oh, COVID aa gaya, ye ho gaya, wo ho gaya, then first I will create a thought within me. जब मैंने अपने अंदर में क्रिएट किया, इसका मतलब मैंने अपने अंदर में स्ट्रेस को एक्यूमुलेट किया. और जब मैंने अपने अंदर में स्ट्रेस को एक्यूमुलेट किया तो इसका मतलब व्हाट आई एम थ्रोइंग आउटसाइड, I am also throwing outside the vibrations of stress. What is running in my mind, उसी से मेरे आसपास का माहौल बनता है. अब जैसे मेरे आसपास का माहौल बनेगा उसी के बेसिस पर क्या होगा, the vibrations will spread in the environment. This is why it is said कि संकल्प से सृष्टि बनती है. As you think so you become, as the world would be. हमारे ऊपर और everything depends on. So the first thing which you create in response is, suppose करो हमारे मन में कोई thought आता है, वो COVID है, what to do? Then what will happen? Very bad scenario. So many are dying. The such type of thoughts that come in me. It's a type of pressure which I have created on my mind. It's how I have created on my mind, just by creating a thought, getting me? And then a feeling will come in me. And then after that it will give rise to, followed by your words. कि जैसे ही मेरे मन में विचार आया कि वो कोविड है, ओह इतनी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, क्या करें कैसे करें, वो मेरे फीलिंग में आता है, दैट टेक्स मी डाउन. तो मेरा इमोशनल जो हेल्थ इंडेक्स है वो मेरा कैसा हो जाएगा, कम हो जाएगा. नेगेटिविटी मेरे अंदर बढ़ जाएगी और नेगेटिविटी बढ़ने से मेरे वर्ड्स में वो आ जाएगी, which will spread in the society, people around me, and the vibrations which we are all creating, they will spread in the world as well. And so it comes into action. But now the important thing is that we have to think about that who creates your thoughts. Who creates our thoughts? What you will say? पूजा जी क्या बोलेंगे आप? Who creates our thoughts? We create our thoughts or not? Or someone else? आपने थॉट क्रिएट किया कि आज मुझे प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन करना है, सो यू हैव ज्वाइन द प्रोग्राम. इफ यू थॉट ऑफ मुझे नहीं करना तो क्या होता? वी ओनली वी क्रिएट. नो, yes, we ourselves create the thoughts. Many are replying to it. Very nice, thanks to all of you. Who creates our thoughts? You may be influenced by many things. You may give permission to be influenced, but who created your thoughts? So who created our feelings? I just said it's a principle. The moment you create a thought, a feeling gets generated. We did know, isn't it? So we created. So who created your feelings? We created. I created. And therefore, who creates your stress? Who creates our stress? Pressure किसने create किया? We created. I do. We created a pressure, isn't it? So it means pressure is increasing. What is happening? We created pressures. Yes, very nice. Very nicely in chat box, the students are replying. You are the creator of your feelings, isn't it? When we are the creator of our feelings, a stressful feeling arises inside. Then what to do? अब ये तो हो गया कि स्ट्रेसफुल फीलिंग तो मुझे आ गई, मैंने क्रिएट कर लिया, लेकिन a stressful feeling arise inside, try to separate yourself from your feelings. How will you separate yourself from your feelings? By separating yourself, those feelings or emotions will cease to absorb your energy. आपके मन में थॉट आया, ओ नहीं, very bad situation. That's okay, I will handle it. By thinking like this, what we have done? We have separated ourselves from this situation. The moment I have separated myself from this situation, so by separating yourself, those feelings or emotions will cease to absorb your energy. जो मेरी पॉजिटिव एनर्जी मेरी सीज हो रही थी, मेरी जो इनर स्ट्रेंथ खत्म हो रही थी, वो इनर स्ट्रेंथ क्या होगी? मेरी खत्म होना कम हो शुरू हो जाएगी. Cloud your vision or muddle your thinking as negative feelings tend to do, and instead the feelings will begin to wilt and die. धीरे धीरे क्या होगा? वो feelings फिर positivity में, if you will start overpowering it with the positivity, then what will happen? Automatically, Parul, automatically what will happen? Automatically the positive thoughts will come up and the negative emotions will cease down. Now let us see the cycle of stressful thinking. What happens when we are under stress? Most of you must be working now. So if suppose thoughts are irrational, negative, हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, हम तो कुछ नहीं बन सकते, मेरी तो लाइफ ऐसे ही चलेगी, पता नहीं मुझे तो अच्छी जॉब मिलेगी कि नहीं, unreasonable, बेकार के thoughts आ रहे हैं which has no meaning. So if my thoughts are irrational, negative, unreasonable, then how my feelings are going to be? Panic, दर्द वाली फीलिंग होगी. ओ क्या करें, क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, क्या करूं अब, आई एम रियली अंडर पेन. फियर, डर लगने लगेगा. और क्या होगा? वरी. एम आई राइट? Fear, worry, the such will, anxiety, yes, these things will increase automatically. And then कैसा हमारा behavior हो जाएगा? Behavior हमारा कैसा हो जाएगा? Yes, very nice. Behavior हमारा inappropriate हो जाएगा. Inappropriate behavior होगा और inept response होगा. ऐसा जवाब देंगे हम कि बात मत पूछो, isn't it? So disappointment हो जाएगा, inappropriate behavior हो जाएगा, compulsive हो जाएगा, irritative हो जाएगा, negative irritation arise होगी, anger पैदा हो जाएगा. See मेरे behavior में क्या क्या आ जाता है? I think all of you are replying in chat box on the basis of your experience, isn't Niyati? Aggression, performance. Performance कैसी हो जाएगी? कशिका, डुअलिटी इन थॉट्स आ जाएगा, फ्रस्ट्रेशन आ जाएगी, है ना, लो फील करने लगेंगे. यस, वेरी नाइस आंसर्स यू आर ऑल गिविंग. यू सीम टू बी वेरी एंथुसियास्टिक फॉर द सेशन. लो परफॉर्मेंस हो जाएगी. परफॉर्मेंस कैसी जाएगी? पुअर जाएगी, डल जाएगी, अनप्रोडक्टिव जाएगी, इजंट इट, नॉन अचीविंग होगी, वर्थलेसनेस फीलिंग होगी, अनप्रोडक्टिव और डल हो जाएंगे, isn't it? हाँ, आर्ची डाउनहिल फील करेंगे. सो इससे क्या हुआ? हमारा विशियस साइकिल ऑफ स्ट्रेसफुल थिंकिंग. सो हैव यू सीन जस्ट बाय क्रिएटिंग थॉट्स पारुल, फीलिंग बिहेवियर हमारा कितना असर पड़ता है परफॉर्मेंस पर। फिर हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इफ सपोज आई एम वर्किंग इन ऑफिस, देन हम लोग क्या करेंगे, आई विल थिंक लाइक आई कैन नॉट स्टैंड माई बॉस, I'll think I don't like my boss, feels like anger or resentment and many other things, acts like aggressive or uncooperative. Aggressive and uncooperative हो जाएंगे. The same thing happens no in the office. जब हम काम कर रहे होते हैं, हम बॉस को नहीं लाइक करते, तो हम लोग काम करके नहीं देंगे, टाइम पे नहीं देंगे. आई एम गिविंग सर, आई एम गिविंग सर मैम, लाइक दिस वी लाइक टू प्रिटेंड. एंड एज ए रिजल्ट क्या शुरू हो जाएगा, फिर हम दोनों के बीच में नॉन कम्युनिकेटिंग क्लियरली, नॉट कम्युनिकेटिंग क्लियरली. We won't communicate clearly, not accepting or even seeing what boss wants me to do, wasting energy, distance in relationships, friction starts. हाँ, नियति अपने एक्सपीरियंस से बता रही है. Friction start, distance in relationships, opportunities denied or missed. Opportunities खत्म हो जाए. Anybody wants to say something else? Promotion slow down हो जाएगी. कितने कितने नुकसान हो जाएंगे? Huh? So work on putting a positive cycle in place. For example, we'll be stagnant. हम ऊपर नहीं चढ़ पाएंगे. दिव्या ने बहुत अच्छा आंसर दिया. So things like it's not things like, it is things like my role is to give cooperation to my boss. So what have you changed? Reply now. Who will reply? What we are changing here in a positive cycle? Yes, very nice, Niyati. So you are changing your thoughts. Yes, Gopal, you are very nice answer. Kalpana, Mansi, all have answered very nicely. Nidhi, artists, all have answered positive thoughts, you know. So if I just change a thought, for example, things like my role is to give cooperation to my boss and colleagues to the best of my capacity. उसने जो किया, let him do, that is his karma. By my karma is to give cooperation to my boss and to my colleagues. Do you think like this or the adverse comes in mind? Just reply. Anyone? Yes, we think of it, but that we should do best. But do we do? Yes or no? Tit for tat. Soumya says tit for tat. Tit for tat is not going to bring fruit to us, you know. Remember your duties and give your best. Niyati says that you remember your duties and give the best. This is the best option, you see. अगर जो जैसा हमारे साथ करता हम उसके साथ वैसा करते चले जाते. If somebody is doing wrong with you, if you are also doing wrong with that person, then the resultant effect which we will reap will be wrong. Sadness, worry in return will come to us. Isn't it? As the action, so the reaction. So the same will come back to me. Yes, we have to give our best and cooperative, Rama says. So this is the best. Feels like calm, focused enthusiasm. अब आपने ये thought create किया that I have to cooperate my boss, I have to cooperate my friends. So what will happen? We will all feel calm, focused and enthusiastic. एक्शन में फिर क्या आएगा? कोऑपरेटिव, सीकिंग फर्दर इंफॉर्मेशन एंड चेकिंग प्रोग्रेस विद अदर्स. यू नो, ओके, आई हैव टू कोऑपरेट. कोऑपरेशन दिखाई पड़ेगा. एवरीबडी विल फील हैप्पी. वी विल ऑल फील लाइट एंड रिजल्ट वुड बी टास्क विल बी डन efficiently. Task will be done efficiently. And what else new from the presentation you are seeing? Anything new you would like to add? Goals achieved, confidence is built in self and others, opportunities open up. So these are the results which we will be seeing. Okay, now but most of the time we remain in the blame culture. How do we blame? You are responsible for this. You are responsible for this. So we need to explore ourselves more and more. The moment you point out one finger towards other, three are towards you, and your thumb is signifying that you also have some problem in you. Next. So what do you think is the most common objects of blame? गवर्नमेंट यस, ये करें तो करें क्या? जितना हमारे कोशिश में है, चाहे हमारे सराउंडिंग्स में है, चाहे घर के अंदर बाहर है, क्या हम वो उतना कर पाते हैं? बॉस बॉस तो मेरे कंट्रोल में, बॉस मेरा जो है ना ऐसा है, दिस इज व्हाई इट इज हैपनिंग विद मी। बैंक ऐसे है ना, टाइम पे कोई काम ही नहीं करके देता, हम करके देते हैं। सी योरसेल्फ, एक उंगली हमारी तरफ, एक उंगली दूसरे की तरफ, तो हमारी तरफ कितनी? मैनी उंगलीज। हाँ, ओके। कल्चर ऑफ ब्लेम, कल्चर का ही फॉल्ट है ना, रिलीजियन हमारा ऐसा, हम करें क्या? फॉल्ट फाइंडिंग, इंडस्ट्री, स्पाउस, कलीग्स, अदर्स। Anything else would you like to add? Object of blame. In every situation, we blame others, not see our own faults. Yes, Bhavna says, accept what we can do the best. Okay, accept the situation and do the best. We blame others, Riya says, for making ourselves right. So this is culture of blame. So we have to come out of it. And the power of positive thinking, that's a big problem. We have to sort it out. So, initially it seems to be challenging. Initially, it seems to be challenging, but it is not so difficult. How we can practice power of positive thinking and accept the challenge? Be aware of all the external energies. आपको मालूम है आज बारिश हो रही है, पानी बहुत ज्यादा भर गया है, मुझे हल्का सा फीवर भी है, मुझे अपने ऑफिस भी जाना है। ये सब क्या है? सिचुएशंस विच आर एक्सटर्नल. I do not have control on them. I can take medicine. If it is very important and urgent for me to go out, so I will go out, but I will take medicine. That is only in my control. But I cannot stop rain. Is it in my control? Is it in my control, anybody? No, Sheetal says, no, it is not. Bhavna says, it is not my control. Soumya, Sanjana, Archie, Payal, Nisha, Nidhi, they are all saying it is not. So it means they are justified with it. That the external situations, they are Richa, Anshika, Radhika, many answers I am getting, that the situation is not which is happening outside, that is not in my control. When you are replying to my questions, it means that you are understanding what I am saying. So this is something great. Congratulations. Keep it up. So external energies, acknowledge them, interact with them, but not be influenced or disempowered by them. ठीक है? बारिश हो रही है, कोई बात नहीं. कैसे empower करेंगे? कैसे करेंगे empower? Give me the answer. Now let me see your IQ level. Empower कैसे करेंगे? How will you empower yourself if the external energies are not in your favor? We could have tea afterwards. Yes. बारिश हो रही है, सपोज करो, if it is raining, then how you will empower yourself in that situation? आपको ऑफिस भी जाना है, आपको फीवर भी है. Work from home. Very nice, huh? Such a nice rainy day. Farmers will be relieved by positive thinking. How you will make yourself positive? What positive you will think? We must think that the positive in every action. We should think we have to do our duty. Shivaya says, okay, so very nice. By neglecting bad thoughts, yes, we will enjoy the good weather. Yes, very nice. You enjoy the good weather and then just create a thought, okay, if it is very important for me to go, then I will go by my own transport or I will hire something. Or if it is not very heavy rain, then I can carry an umbrella with me. I can wear a raincoat and go. Not to be negative in that situation. Initially, एक thought जरूर आएगा. Initially, a thought will definitely come in you. Yes, this is the thought. Okay. But feel the pureness of the rain. Yes, many positive, and you feel the pureness of rain. But this is also very important for you that you have to go to your office. You have to go at your work, for your work. So for this, you need to be positive, and accordingly, the same antidote we have to find out. If we are able to find out the antidote of them and then we bring it into action, what is going to happen, you see, then we don't get empowered and we don't get influenced by the external energies. Am I right? Am I right? Yes? Yes, fine. Fine, Soumya. Thank you, Payal, Nidhi, Kavita. Many have responded. Bhavna, Richa, Shweta. The secret is detachment, to be detached yet still not involved in the situation. So you see, you did not get involved in the situation. Many are replying to it. Yes, I agree to all that you have understood me. So it means the secret is detachment. Got my point? The moment you detached yourself from that very thought which was going to disempower you, you created another fine thought that is called detachment. कई लोग डिटैचमेंट का बहुत दूसरे शब्दों में अर्थ ले लेते हैं. They take it like that we have to renounce the world, we have to detach from the world. No, we have to detach from the negativity. Detached but still involved. This is the correct word. Detached but still involved. Is it possible? Detach भी रहे और involved भी रहे. जैसे आपने देखा रेन हो भी रही है, आप डिटैच भी हैं लेकिन इन्वॉल्व भी हैं. यस, शीतल, स्वाति, निकिता, नियाति, निशाथा has replied yes. Yes, it is possible. Okay, all of you, right, ma'am? Okay, Rama and Sheetal has again responded. So this requires you find that point of internal stability in your mind where nothing affects you and no one can shake you. So this requires you find that point of internal stability. Got it? That point of internal stability we have to find so that nothing can shaken me. Nothing can shaken me. You try to reach at that point. What I mean to say is probably you would have got it. Suppose करो हम रेन का ही एग्जांपल लेते हैं. इस रेनी सीजन नाउ तो मानो बारिश हो रही है, बहुत तेज बारिश है, आपको बाहर भी निकलना है, आपके मन में आ जाता है कि नहीं नहीं बारिश तो बड़ी तेज है, मैं छाता लेके तो नहीं निकल. ओके, find out the other solution immediately. Don't think of negativity. Immediately, okay, let me order a cab. अगर आप कैब से भी नहीं जाना, बहुत एक्सपेंसिव पड़ेगा, अपनी गाड़ी भी नहीं लेके जाना, कहीं रास्ते में फंस गई तो बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा. देन यू थिंक ऑफ अनदर सोल्यूशन. ओके, मैं अपनी जॉब पे फोन कर देती हूँ कि मैं क्या करूंगी, टुडे आई वोंट बी एबल टू कम, और इफ यू अलाउ मी आई विल कम लेट. Isn't it? This is positivity, detached but involved. So then what will happen? External energies will not allow you to disempower. So life is like a departmental store. You know, in a departmental store, you find the suits and dresses have many labels like type of cloth कौन सा है, price क्या है, washing instructions भी होता है ना, size etc. Everything is there on the dress which you go to buy. As we journey through our life, we are constantly labeling other people around us. We are labeling around us, people around us. So which means what? Which means what? That life is like a departmental store. So what is happening? So by increasing our pressures, by increasing our labels, you know, most of the time we like to label ourselves like I am male or female. We remain in this consciousness. Are you male or female, or you are an energy? This male and female is the costume which you have been provided here to play your role. Like mouth is to speak, ear is to hear, nose is to smell, eyes is to see, skin is to touch and feel. So male and female, this is my body, which is a vehicle, which is given to me the energy who drives the body of mine. So how many of you agree that we are male or female, or we are energy? We are energy. Shiva says, Divya says, Soumya says, Swarnali, Anshika, Snigdha, Payal, Himlata, Nishatha, Nisha. Everybody says that we are energy, but now I give you an example and then you reply to me. जब आपको कोई कहते हैं पारुल यू कम हेयर, सपोज करो कविता यू कम हेयर, कल्पना यू कम हेयर, किसका पिक्चर बनता है आपके माइंड में? कल्पना का बनेगा कि पारुल का बनेगा? जस्ट रिप्लाई टू इट. या एनर्जी का बनता है? नाउ रिप्लाई। फीमेल का बनता है ना, एनर्जी का सिर्फ एक ने लिखा, गर्ल का बनता है, यस गर्ल का बना, मोस्ट ऑफ यू आर रिस्पॉन्डिंग राइटली। फीमेल का बनता है ना, क्यों? क्योंकि हम कॉन्शियस किस में है, किस कॉन्शियसनेस में है, ऑफ द पर्सन इंडिविजुअल, है ना, फीमेल का मैं, सो मोस्ट ऑफ द आंसर्स ओनली वन हैज रिटन एनर्जी का बनता है। Energy means that your point of light energy residing in the middle of your bhrakuti. This is why, you know, we the girls especially, and when we go to the temples, we apply tilak or bindi in the middle of the forehead. I am a shining star energy, to which we say consciousness, energy, power, isn't it? So that is what consciousness, energy, power. So this is the I am. This is what I am. So the moment you say girl का picture बना, ओके बाहर में एक इम्प्रेशन आपका किसका आया, गर्ल का आया, पूजा का आया, कशिका का आया, आपका आर्या का आया, पारुल का आया, श्वेता का आया, लेकिन इनसाइड में जो एक थॉट आना चाहिए, लाइक डिटैच्ड बट इन्वॉल्व्ड, हमने समझा। सो सिमिलरली हमें इनसाइड आउट किसको देखना है, देखना भी एनर्जी को है और खुद को भी क्या समझना है, शीतल रिस्पॉन्डेड एनर्जी। देखना भी किसको है, एनर्जी को देखना है। यू शुड नॉट सी द मेल एंड फीमेल, see the male and female, but inside a thought should come that they are energy. Will it be beneficial if we think like this? How it is going to benefit us? How it is going to benefit us? It is going to benefit us. Huh? How? You know, जब हमने किसी को मेल फीमेल के रूप में देखा तो हमारे मन में क्या आ जाता है, उसकी हाइट आ जाती है, उसकी स्किन ब्यूटी आ जाती है, स्किन कलर सामने आ जाता है, हम कहने लग जाते हैं वो अगली है, वो ब्यूटीफुल है, ये ब्लैक है, ये वाइट है, isn't it? ये रिच है, ये पुअर है। जब हमने उसकी ड्रेस को देखा तो, जब हमने उसकी कास्ट को देखा तो हमने क्या कहना, वी स्टार्ट डिस्क्रिमिनेटिंग। दिव्या सेज यस यू आर वेरी राइट दिव्या। दीक्षा सेज यस वी विल ट्रीट ऑल इक्वली, no judgmental attitude will come, isn't it? So when this judgmental attitude will not come, how are you going to be benefited, friends? How are you going to be benefited? You will be benefited that you will see each and everyone equal, and all will see you also as your own. You know, these male or female, what is this? These are the biological differences, isn't it? Skin color, but ultimately we are all beings of peace, love, happiness. We are all human being, कहते हैं ना, human being. Human means the body, so being means the energy, the soul जिसको spiritual language में कहते हैं. So if I just see at each and everyone at being level, my energy level, my emotional health index will go up or down. My emotional health index will go up or it will come down. It will go up. Shivya says, Anshika says, Divya, Sheetal, Diksha, Richa, many have responded, all have responded positively. Very nice response coming from your side. It means you are all understanding very well. So it means the response will automatically, it will go up. So when it will go up, so what you need to do now in a very special program which has been organized for all of you so that it become memorable for all. So what you need to do is just bring a shift in your consciousness from body consciousness to soul consciousness. Is it possible to bring this shift while doing any action, while doing any thinking? Just bring a shift in you. It will enhance your personality a lot. It will enhance your personality a lot. The moment you will it enhance your personality? Will it enhance your personality? Diksha, Anshika, yes, they say that yes, it will. Shiv also says, Sanjana says, Divya says, Niyati says, Ritu, it will enhance your personality. हम लोग सबसे ज्यादा क्या enhance करना चाहते हैं? पर्सनालिटी एनहांस करना चाहते हैं ना, कितना ग्रूमिंग का हमें शौक होता है. वी गो टू पार्लर्स फॉर गेटिंग groomed, you know. So through this we can groom ourselves. So this is the Benito, Rouge, Swati, Niti. Many answers are coming and they are all positive reply that yes, ma'am, it is going to happen. Our personality will progress, it will improve. We will become more smarter. So the skin color, caste, creed, and the educational qualification, and also the profession, all this does not matter. Rich and poor, this does not matter. We should treat with each and everyone as human being. It will reduce our stress level, and the moment the stress level gets reduced, it will increase our personality. It will enhance our personality. है ना. सो पर्सनालिटी, आप देखो कोई पेड़ पौधों की पर्सनालिटी तो नहीं होती, ह्यूमन बीइंग्स की होती है पर्सनालिटी. एक होती है फिजिकल पर्सनालिटी, एक होती है इनर पर्सनालिटी. सो द इनर पर्सनालिटी, इफ इट गेट्स ग्रूम्ड, it can be groomed only by contentment, peace and happiness. You know, it cannot be groomed by position, power, prestige. Most of the time we want to achieve this thing, position. It is good, it is good, external में position achieve करें, लेकिन internal में contentment भी होना चाहिए. Power को achieve करें, लेकिन peace भी होना चाहिए. Prestige को achieve करें, happiness भी होना चाहिए. Isn't it? Madhu says yes, ma'am, it should be like this. So yes, if it is going to happen, Priyanka, Urush, Kavita, Nikita, many are answering, Nandini, Bhavna, Diksha, yes, they all said yes. So if we increase this inside, what? Contentment, peace, happiness, Preeti, Jyoti, Kashika, so everybody has responded yes. So if we increase this inside and that outside, that is external, position, power, prestige, and this is all internal. So inner personality and outer personality both get enhanced, then what will happen? We'll be a better person, will be recognized more. So what does your body need the most? We need the most food, air and water. This is the requirement of the external body, food, air, water. And what is the requirement of the being? We say na that we are human being. Human word is made up of humus. You can note down. Humus means the soil, mitti, isn't it? Made up of 5 elements, humus, Latin word hai. And being means the energy. So the energy की क्या requirement है? Peace and love. All the time what do we say? कोई हमसे लड़के बात करता है, आराम से तो बात करना यार, क्या बात कर रही है, तेरे को बात करने का भी तरीका नहीं आता. So the method to assess your true values is called meditation. The method to assess your true values is called meditation, and this is why meditation is the most effective long-term method of managing and preventing stress. This is why meditation is advisable. Meditation word has come from the word madri, and madri means to heal your emotions. The more you will heal your negative emotions, pressures will reduce. As a result, the personality will develop and the inner strength will increase. As a result, stress factor will reduce, because I earlier said stress is nothing but P over I, pressures over I. Now pressures are getting reduced through meditation. So meditation is simply the method to get to know yourself. What you have come to know about yourself, that you are an energy. What you have come to know is you just register and note it down. And the various names given to this energy are soul, light, power, consciousness. Soul, light, power, energy, consciousness, and be consciously in control of the thoughts and feelings that you create, isn't it? So consciously in control of the thoughts and feelings. You know, sometimes thoughts run at a very high speed and we all find it very difficult to control it. Very difficult to control. We say, how to control the thought? It has become sickening for me. It has become stressing. What to do? What is the solution for it? So the solution for this is, because the more you meditate, you know, because whole of the day, you know how many thoughts we create? Who will reply? A whole day, even in dreams, we create 40,000. Kopal, very nice. Shiva, 50,000 thoughts. Yes, infinite. We cannot count them. Very nice answers. Lots of thoughts, thousands. We create, a research study has been conducted, and we create about 25 to 30,000 thoughts. जब हम नॉर्मल हैं, और जब हम बहुत ज्यादा सोचना शुरू कर देते हैं, when we become negative about the situation and ourselves, then the number of thoughts increases to, then it increases to, it goes very high. It goes to 50 to 60,000. Not in a second. In a second तो we create many thoughts. 25 से 30 thought तो हम लोग एक सेकेंड में, उसमें एक मिनट में क्रिएट कर लेते हैं. So see, many thoughts we create. So you see how much energy, how many thoughts are productive out of these thoughts. हाँ, कितने thoughts हमारे productive होते हैं? Necessary thoughts कितने होते हैं? Very less, very less, very few. Payal says, Sanjana says, Neha says, Swarnali says, Payal, Diksha, Richa, Anshika, Nidhi, Sheetal, Shalu, Bhavna, many are replying to it, 3 to 4%. नेसेसरी थॉट्स के लिए हमें सोचना ही नहीं पड़ता. अपने आप ही सुबह उठना है, ऑफिस जाना है, नहाना है, ब्रश करना है, नाश्ता करना है, हमें सोचने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. इजंट इट? ऑटोमेटिकली होता रहता है. और उसमें वेस्ट और नेगेटिव थॉट्स कितने होते हैं? सारे. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम we are negative. Many. Devya, Nikita, they are saying many. Anshika, Payal, they say that many thoughts are like that. Sanjana, Richa, Shweta, Diksha, they are all saying that such thoughts are many. Yes, you are right. 80% thoughts हमारे negative और waste होते हैं उसमें से. और positive thoughts, मेरा भी भला, तुम्हारा भी भला, या सिर्फ मेरा ही भला, self-centered. हाँ, 1%. हार्डली. कभी आ गया मन में थॉट, चलो किसी की हम थोड़ा भला कर देते हैं, किसी को रास्ता दिखा देते हैं, किसी को रूट गाइड कर देते हैं. पर मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हम लोगों के 80 to 90% थॉट्स जो होते हैं वो नेगेटिव. तो इसका मतलब कितनी एनर्जी हम लोग वेस्ट कर रहे हैं? कितनी एनर्जी वेस्ट कर रहे हैं हम लोग? 80 to 90% हम लोग एनर्जी को वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. इसका मतलब प्रेशर्स को बढ़ा रहे हैं. प्रेशर्स को बढ़ाएंगे तो हमारी पर्सनालिटी अप जाएगी या डाउन जाएगी? पर्सनालिटी डाउन जाएंगी कि अप जाएगी? डाउन जाएगी ना. तो पर्सनालिटी को हम बनाने के लिए कितना एफर्ट करते हैं, बाहर से हम लोग कितना क्रीम पाउडर लगाते हैं, कितने स्टाइल्स बनाते हैं हम लोग, पर फिर भी कोई हमें टोक देता, अरे बड़ी अपसेट सी लग रही है, क्या हुआ है तुझे? तो कैसा लगता है? अच्छा नहीं लगता ना, कि देखो इसने मुझे क्या बोल दिया है. शिव्या, क्या लगता है? निशा, प्रियंका, शिव, स्वर्णली, सबसे अच्छा नहीं लगता ना, डाउन फील करते हैं. तो पर्सनालिटी को एनहांस करना पड़ेगा. तो हमें क्या करना है? ऑल द मोर डाउन हम लोग फील करते हैं, निशाता सेज. तो इसलिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? हमें अपनी पर्सनालिटी को बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. तो उसके लिए हमें अपना जो इमोशनल हेल्थ इंडेक्स है उसको पॉजिटिव बनाना है. जितना हमारी एनर्जी पॉजिटिव होगी उतना हमारे प्रेशर्स कम होते जाएंगे. जितना हमारे प्रेशर्स कम होते जाएंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली स्ट्रेस लेवल कम होगा. स्ट्रेस लेवल कम होगा तो हमारी पर्सनालिटी एनहांस होती जाएगी. और इनर का जो असर है वो कहाँ आता है? Inner gets reflected outside. Inside gets reflected outside. So now, are you ready for meditation? What is the formula of meditation? Very simple technique I am going to teach you. So how to do meditation? It's a very simple principle. Just remember SOS. Yes, many are replying to this. They are interested in meditation. So SOS means what? Steer, stand back, stand back. आप क्या करेंगे? step back. SOS, step back. Step back for a second and then observe yourself. और उसके बाद steer. Stay centered and then see beyond the role. That is very important. We will do it practically now. SOS, this is the simple formula. You all note down it. Step back, observe, and steer. So the moment you will step back, you will become a detached observer. And then steer, you will see outside, you will find calmness around yourself. So now let us sit in silence and do meditation. पारुल कोई म्यूजिक अगर थोड़ा लगा सके तो साइड में. So let us sit back, allow your mind and body to come at rest. You will find yourself that your body has come at rest. And your mind has become more quiet than earlier. Now, to feel more relaxed and calm, take your all energy upward. पारुल बंद कर दो म्यूजिक. Take your all energy upward from your feet, legs, the energy which is flowing within you in the form of white light from hands, upper portion of the body, from your neck, from your face, and focus it in the middle of Prakriti, the space between the two eyebrows. Now be a detached observer. See your mind as a big screen, like projector screen. and see the thoughts running in your mind like traffic on the road. Now, to see you watching, you will observe the frequency of thoughts will get reduced. Like to see the police wala, the traffic slows down. Now just write a very powerful thought on the screen of your mind. The time being of peace. A peaceful being. This is my innate self. Now see yourself working at home with family. Creating a thought that they are being of peace. I am being of peace. Now see yourself working peacefully with them with the consciousness that they are also energy and I am also energy. Now imagine that you are in your office. There also see each and every individual as being of peace, sitting on your seat, working with the consciousness, I am being of peace. I am being of peace. Again, remind yourself that I am being of peace, a point of light energy residing in the middle of Prakriti. Come back now. Om Shanti means I am being of peace. I, the soul, being of peace. How was it for you? Will you reply in chat box? How have you felt? Amazing, soothing, peace, very good, very refreshing, very soothing, ma'am, very good, calming, relaxing, peaceful, nice, very peaceful, relaxed, very nice answers. Thank you very much. Feeling relaxed, relaxing, relaxing. So, can you now relax like this yourself? You just give these suggestions like this to yourself. We have many commentaries also available on YouTube, that I will request Parul to send you. So then you can practice meditation with that commentary. So that will be very calming and relaxing for you. Any moment, anywhere, being anywhere, you can just practice it, because now it's a fashion to carry mobile, and we can have the earphone also, so you can listen it anywhere and you can do it. And now we have Parul among us, जो भी आपके कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट रही है. She is also practicing Raj Yoga meditation. Parul, I would like to request you to share some moments of your meditation. How do you feel when you do it, and how you do it?
Thank you, Zidiji. It was amazing. It was very easy to understand, and the meditation experience was also beautiful. So, my name is Parul, and I have completed my bachelor's from Maitrey and my master's from Vanastali. And I've been practicing Raj Yoga from, I believe, I was in 12th when I started meditating. And after meditating, see, Raj Yoga is all about managing your thoughts and feelings. So it is not very difficult because we think a lot of things. We can think in the negative direction, so can we do it in the positive direction? So when I meditate, per se, the Imagisible experience, when I start giving myself those positive thoughts, those powerful, peaceful thoughts, the feeling automatically comes. And Rajoga is not just limited to the soul, it also extends to Supreme Soul. So both the energies of the soul can be felt and the Supreme Soul can be felt. So combined both the energies, you feel as if the gap, the holes that the things that you're lacking inside, within the personality, those get filled. You feel as if everything else outside is being taken care of, but the internal, the the quest, the thirst that we have for peace, love, happiness, power, joy, that is filled when you are meditating. And when you do that, when you fill yourself inside completely, then the outside becomes very easy. It becomes more enjoyable. And so is happening in this time. We are facing Corona. Everybody is going through the same time, but some of us have become very powerful in this time because we are utilizing this time to fill ourselves with positivity and the power. And that is something that I gain from meditation each and every day, each and every second. So that's my experience of meditation. Thanks.
Thank you, Parul. Thank you, Parul. Very nice. And she's practicing it every day. That is a beauty, you see. And she's so calm and serene. When she comes in close contact with us, we find her very nice and very peaceful. So this is something, and this is why she is able to solve her problems peacefully. And she takes very right decisions. Okay. So now anybody has any question to ask? No questions? Okay, from my side, thank you very much. It's over.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for sharing your enriching insights with us. Your session must have helped participants get a new, rejuvenated perspective of life problems and will be fruitful for future. I also thank Parul for sharing her experience of meditation. So we were supposed to take questions, but as there are no questions, students have not written anything. I feel like they have, you know,
Understood or no, they did not understand. Hello.
So, Dr. Ankita Sehrawat will give the vote of thanks. Over to you, Ankita.
Excuse me, Pooja, there is one question.
Okay.
Loneliness increases our energy level or not?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes,
Being
if we
alone.
feel lonely, it will definitely decrease our this thing energy level. Will definitely decrease. So always try
Anyone
to be
else?
in. Yes, can we join Brahma Kumaris? Yes, you can join Brahma Kumaris. We have meditation centers all around. And from where I am speaking, I am in Palam Vihar, Gurgaon. So you can connect to Parul and then she can guide you about that. Anyone else? You know, initially during meditation, how to get rid of negative thoughts, negative thoughts come in mind initially, but when you don't overlook them and then start focusing yourself on positive thoughts, as I told you, that automatically the energy of negative thoughts will start ceasing, and automatically the positive power of positivity will come up, and that will overpower those thoughts. So it's just with the practice and attention. Anyone else? Thank you, Priyanka.
Ma'am, there is one more question.
Yes.
Ritu Yadav has asked, if we stop meditating in between, does it
Uh,
lose energy or not?
uh, Actually, meditation, it should be made lifestyle. It does not mean that we should sit and meditate. It should be karma yoga. So definitely, if we will sit in meditation and after that we are not practicing and not keeping attention, then negativity will definitely overpower us and we will lose the energy of meditation. Why people feel sleepy during meditation, because the people, they remain worried and under stress and depression. This is why when they do meditation, because you detach yourself from your physique, this is why they start feeling sleepy, and it's a good sign for them. So this is why meditation should be done with the open eyes, and when you are a little bit active. When we are active, then it doesn't happen, or if we are not enjoying it, only then it happens. Anyone else?
Yes, ma'am, there are a few more questions. Uh, how to control on fury?
How to control on?
Fury. And there is one more question.
No, I did not get. How to control on?
Anger.
Anger. How to control on anger? The more you will develop that you are being of peace, automatically your attitude towards the situation will change, and anger will get reduced very easily. Very easily. When you will start
Ma'am, there is
practicing
one more
meditation.
question.
Yes.
Uh, how we can control overthinking? Is auto suggestions really work?
Yeah, auto suggestions really work. If the auto suggestions are powerful, positive thoughts, elevated thoughts, they really work a lot. And I told you earlier that most of the time we are negative and create unnecessary waste thoughts. So we can overcome them by creating positive thoughts and with the practice of meditation.
And ma'am, what should we do when people ignore us, especially loved ones?
Yeah. एक होता है गिविंग लव और एक होता है बीइंग लव. You remain being of love all the time. When the negative energy will not transmit from your side, automatically after some time they will start loving you. Because
And
when they are not giving us love, we are not giving them love. So this is why we get departed from each other. So when from one side that continuous flow of love energy is going on, so automatically after some time it gets over. It's our experience also.
so Rubika has asked that our expectations make us feel disappointed. So how can we avoid them?
Our patience,
Expectations
expectations.
make us feel disappointed. So how can we avoid them?
Yeah, expectations, when we expect from people, only then such problems arises. So instead of having expectation, you just accept them what they are. And when you will accept them, when you will start accepting them, then automatically then everything will be all right.
So there is a one more question, and Soumya Agrawal has asked, ma'am, can art of living also work?
I have no idea about art of living because I'm not practicing it.
Okay. So there are
Thank you.
no question. Yeah.